Exploring the Badlands. We are at Zabriskie Point right now, and we're going to walk up to here. We're not going to be walking around. So, 100 yards one way, but that's the other options here. I'm roughly about halfway up right now. Decided to stop here to take a quick look around. They do have little benches here. Look at that. Well, let's get up there. There's one of the trails there that goes down. But here it is. It's a Brisky Point. That's the view of that direction. Man, beautiful. Looking at the sun that way. But look at that. Like a makeshift canyon there. There's the parking area. All right, I'm going to take in. Wow, look at that. There we go. Coming around. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Filming into the sun here in a second. I'll go all the way around, in fact. Wow. Okay, there we go. That's a bit Zabriskie Point. On the opposite side, I get a shot of that behind me. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the best shot right there. Probably not any down. There we go. And now for the walk down. check that temperature out. 77 degrees out here at the Furnace Creek Visitor Center. Oh, look at that. Every 1,000 feet higher is 5 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. Every 300 meters of feet. Okay. Wow. That's cool. We've never had warm temperatures like this in January before. Look. If I get the entire, there we go. Furnace Creek Visitor Center. It's January 14th, 2022 on a winter road trip. So mid-January, and I'm in Death Valley, Furnace Creek Visitor Center right now, and it's like minus 190 feet below sea level right here. So, you know, almost 200 feet below sea level. And I'm in, look at this, I'm beautiful, 77 degrees out, just like summertime. Wow, this is a winter road trip. I'm not used to being this warm in January. Not up in Minnesota. We're supposed to be having a snowstorm up back home right now. And I'm enjoying this. Oh man. Look at that. Well, the sun's that way, but oh, look at, see? All right, so let's head back over towards the, over here. There's a campground over there too. Here, see that? Yeah, there are trailers and also a couple tents set up. People are camping right now. That's not something I'm used to in January. Oh man, but so cool when you're from Minnesota.